What happens if I don't cooperate with CPS doing a CPS investigation? Well, it's kind of complicated, but if you were to exercise your right and CPS in a perfect world were to respect and honor your right not to allow them to come to your home, honor your right not to communicate with your kids without your consent and or absent of exigent circumstance, honor your right with any and everything as it relates to this overall investigation, then essentially, because they have no other means, no other way to get information regarding the allegation, then their investigation should be essentially closed due to being unfounded or inconclusive, or maybe to the extreme, maybe unsubstantiated. But since they can't get any information, it'll most likely be either unfounded and or inconclusive. That's what typically can happen. However, unfortunately, we don't live in a perfect world, and we have social workers that sometimes take advantage of parents. And oftentimes, when parents refuse to cooperate with them, or aka communicate with them, or give information that you are entitled to keep and reserve upon approval with your counsel to provide out, they will often use that as a form of negative effects towards you. And if it's negative, then they will take proper actions or improper actions of either making threats to remove your child if you don't cooperate, and or just remove your child and figure out a basis to try to remove your child. This is why you want to make sure you document everything from beginning to end. But most importantly, no matter what, you always want to have counsel do an investigation. These are your rights. You want to make sure you preserve your rights. You want to make sure that everything is in accordance. But oftentimes, social workers will use your noncompliance or your exercise of your right as a form of retaliation, and they will use that against you. So the best way is to figure out the best ways to mitigate any type of loss, mitigate any type of damage, and preserve your right and prep the case down the road for a civil rights action against them for any potential violation. If you're getting investigated by CPS, make sure you contact us at Shaw through Law Firm so we can protect your rights and be there for you.